Welcome to the channel, everyone. If you're watching this, then you're probably looking for ways to make real money online, and trust me, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about something super exciting: how to earn $485 a day with ChatGPT for free in 2025. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme or a pipe dream. It's all about leveraging the power of ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI tool that can help you generate income, all without spending a dime. Imagine making money every single day, without having to leave your home. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? In this video, we're going to break down exactly how you can start earning with ChatGPT. Whether you're a newbie or someone who's been trying to figure out online income for a while, we've got you covered. I'm going to guide you step by step, share insider tips, and show you the tools and strategies that will help you hit that $485 a day target. Before we jump into the juicy details, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. You're going to want to stay updated because this method could change your financial future in 2025. Let's dive right in. Section 1: Understanding ChatGPT and its power. Alright, let's start with the basics. First, you need to understand exactly what ChatGPT is and why it's such a valuable tool for making money online. ChatGPT is an advanced artificial intelligence model created by OpenAI. It's a natural language processing AI that can generate human-like responses based on the prompts you give it. Essentially, it's like having a super smart assistant available 24/7, ready to help with tasks ranging from writing and editing to customer support and market research. But why is this important? Because ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot, it's a tool that you can use to create value for yourself and others. And here's the best part: you don't need any technical skills to get started. All you need is creativity, a bit of hustle, and the ability to think outside the box. With ChatGPT, you can create content, solve problems, assist with projects, and automate tasks. And all of this can be monetized. Now, imagine being able to offer all these services to businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs who need your help. Sounds like a great way to start making money, right? Section 2: Getting started, signing up for ChatGPT. Step 1: Sign up for ChatGPT. It's simple and completely free. To start, go to the OpenAI website and create your account. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to ChatGPT, which you can start experimenting with right away. Now, don't worry if you're unfamiliar with how ChatGPT works at first. All you need to do is ask it a question or give it a task, and it will generate a response for you. The more you experiment with it, the more you'll learn about how it works, and the better you'll get at using it for your money-making goals. Once you've signed up and got a feel for how ChatGPT works, it's time to get creative and start offering services to others. Section 3: Choosing the right services to offer. The next step is to identify what services you want to offer. ChatGPT is extremely versatile, so the possibilities are endless. Here are some high-demand services you can offer that'll help you earn that $485 a day. 1. Content writing. ChatGPT is perfect for writing blog posts, articles, product descriptions, and even social media posts. You can charge businesses or bloggers to create original, SEO-optimized content. 2. SEO. Search engine optimization. You can offer SEO services to companies looking to improve their Google rankings. ChatGPT can help you generate SEO-friendly content, keyword research, and even create SEO strategies. 3. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can use ChatGPT to handle a variety of tasks like drafting emails, scheduling appointments, or managing customer inquiries. Businesses are always looking for efficient virtual assistants who can help them with their workload. 4. Social media management. With ChatGPT, you can help businesses create social media strategies, write captions, and engage with their followers. Social media management is in high demand, and ChatGPT can help you manage multiple accounts simultaneously. 5. Editing and proofreading. Many people need help editing and proofreading their documents, essays, blog posts, or even books. You can use ChatGPT to provide high-quality editing services quickly and efficiently. 6. Customer support. Offer customer service solutions, where ChatGPT can assist in answering frequently asked questions, responding to customer emails, or providing live chat support. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. Now, let's talk about where to find clients for these services. Section 4. Finding clients and jobs. Okay, now that you know what services you can offer, it's time to find clients who are willing to pay for your expertise. Here are the top places to look for opportunities. 1. Freelancing platforms. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, and Guru are great places to start. You can create a profile, list your services, and start bidding on projects. The key is to make your profile stand out and showcase your skills. 2. Job boards. Don't forget about job boards like We Work Remotely, Remote OK, and Indeed. Many companies post remote work opportunities on these boards, and you can offer your ChatGPT-powered services to fill their needs. 3. Social media. Platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter are great for connecting with potential clients. You can join relevant groups, follow industry leaders, and reach out to businesses who might need your help. 4. Cold emailing and networking. If you're feeling bold, you can reach out to businesses directly through cold emails. Find companies that would benefit from your services, write a compelling pitch, and offer them a deal they can't refuse. 5. Referrals and word of mouth. Ask satisfied clients to refer you to others. The best clients often come from referrals. Once you start getting work, make sure to ask for testimonials, which can help you land even more clients. Section 5. Pricing and scaling up your earnings. Now, let's talk about how to set your prices and scale up your earnings. To earn $485 per day, you need to be strategic about how you charge for your services. 1. Charge hourly or per project. Some people charge by the hour, while others charge per project. For example, if you're writing articles or blog posts, you could charge $50 to $100 per article. If you're managing social media, you could charge $500 to $1,000 a month for ongoing management. 2. Offer package deals. Rather than charging per project, consider offering package deals. For example, offer a bundle of 5 blog posts or a monthly package that includes content writing, SEO optimization, and social media management. 3. Increase your rates gradually. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, don't be afraid to raise your rates. Clients who value your work will be willing to pay more for it, especially if your skills with ChatGPT continue to improve. 4. Upselling and cross-selling. Look for opportunities to upsell or cross-sell. If a client hires you for one service, offer them additional services that complement what you're already doing for them. For instance, if you're writing blog posts for a client, offer to do the SEO optimization for those posts. Section 6. Maximizing efficiency with ChatGPT. Here's how to maximize efficiency and increase your output, which is key to hitting that $485 a day goal. 1. Use templates. Create templates for common tasks like blog posts, email responses, or social media captions. This will save you time and allow you to take on more clients. 2. Automate tasks. Set up ChatGPT to automate repetitive tasks. For example, you can use it to generate first drafts of blog posts, create email responses, or handle customer inquiries. 3. Outsource. As you scale up, consider outsourcing some of your tasks to others. You could hire virtual assistants to handle the more repetitive tasks, freeing up your time to focus on high-value work. 4. Set clear goals. Break down your $485 per day target into smaller, achievable goals. For example, you could aim for 5 clients paying $100 each or 10 small tasks that pay $50 each. And that's it, folks. You now have all the tools and knowledge you need to start earning $485 a day using ChatGPT for free.